Former Chief PNP Nicolas Torre III, sampal ang abot sa isang newscaster. Tingnan nyo to.
General, medyo nabawasan ba yung stress nyo? Siyempre, kahit paano, nawala yung spotlight. Noon dati, nakaupo kayo sa posisyon. Nako, wala na kayong ginawang tama eh. Pero ngayon po, medyo napahinga kayo. Hindi, pero di ba?
You know, sampal sa katotohanan, yun talaga yun. Yun yung mga newscaster, yung tipong straight to the point magsalita, right? I mean, walang filter, walang flowery words, straight to the point kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Wala ka nang ginawang tama. Yung sinabi niya kay former PNP Chief Nicolas Torre III, right? Kung saan ka man nagtatrabaho ngayon, yung newscaster, sana ma-promote ka na. Right? I mean, those are the people that we need in the news industry. Right? So, kung kayo may, I mean, for those people, please, like this video, support this newscaster. Again, I love this man, right? And for Nicolas Torre III, or for your former Chief PNP, well, ganun talaga. There are times na mahaharapin mo talaga yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo before, right? That's a sad reality, right? Anyway, for now, that's just my opinion. You guys, if whatever that you guys think, let me know, write down in a comment. For now, cheers, bye.